In this video, I'm gonna show you a trade that I made over $2,000 profit on with one very simple strategy indicator that I talk about all the time on this channel. If you're not using this indicator, you are blowing it. This is a very important indicator. If you're trading anything, any stocks, crypto, whatever it is, there's one very simple indicator that you need to use every single day. I'm gonna show you the live trade, making some serious money during the live streams today, the FOMC meeting, the interest rates. It was a wild day in the markets. Gonna break it all down right here in this video, so let's go. Well, back above 90, we could start pushing towards that 900 level. Target to push above 90s here. So we're watching right now to see if we can get that push through the 90s here. Stop at the 76s, risking 4 for possible 14. I just like that idea. We're right there at that pivot right now, so kind of sticking to my overall thesis with those pivots. And we push through that. Gotta get that 85 level. 85 acting as resistance right now. The NASDAQ trying to push up. The ES trying to push up here. Get this push above the 90s. Look for 94s. I want to take profit right before that 95 level. And then look to re-enter above 95 if we break it strong. I'm trying to push up their 86s now. Looking for 90s or higher. 90s or higher. I'm gonna move my stop right here to the 78. So I'm only risking 2 now. Still looking for that 14 handle move. See if we can push through the 90s here. We gotta squeeze. They gotta get it going again. 87's trying to get broken there. Need more volume to come in here and break this 90 level. And then we go 94s. Moving my stop to basically break even at this point. Can't lose, so we're gonna hold it. Look for that break over the 90s here. The NASDAQ's pushing up. The ES trying to push through here. 88s. I think we break 88s here. We go 90s. Come on. Ugh, having trouble there with the 88s again. Big seller coming in there. We got support right now on the Bookmap at the 82s. Will that be enough to push it back up here? Bit of a battle here at the 85, 86 level. Trying to squeeze through. At this point, we're already in the green. We can't lose on the trades, so we might as well hold to see if we can get that big profit, $2,000 profit on this trade here. Doing it all live on YouTube. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, blow up that like button, boys and girls. Can we get $2,000? Pay me $2,000. And let's look for that bigger move. I want $2,000. There we go, through the 90s now. Can we push 94s? My profit target at the 94 level. Looking for 94s here. 94s, 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 94s. Do 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 do. Come on, baby. Smack it. Take it. Take it. Hey, you guys want to learn more about day trading? Don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. Tune in 9:15 a.m. live on YouTube every single morning. 92s, 92s. 94s, come on, hit it, baby. Just fucking hit it for me. Did it hit? Oh, baby. Ding, 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 ding. I'm the magic man, the $1 million man with the $1 million plan, my friends. If you haven't already hit that fucking subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fucking live stream off. Walk off the stage because the show is over, boys and girls. All right, so let's break down really quickly. Why did I take this trade? Why, Patrick, why did you take this trade? Why were you so confident in this trade? There's a few reasons. Let's talk about it, all right? First off, guess what happened? We pulled back to the support. We had the 8 EMA bullish. We bounced off 8 EMA at the 80s. We had the MACD bullish. We had this overall push up. We knew we needed a little bit of a pullback, right? We need a little bit of a pullback after that big move up. 50 points up, give me a little bit of a pullback. All right, perfect. Well, we saw that we had this kind of overall trend. We're looking for the breakout to the upside. There we go to the 96s now. But in general, why did I feel so confident in this trade? If you look here at the SPY pivot points, this is all something we talk about on the channel all the time. Those SPY pivot points, look how we held there perfectly at that 386 level on that SPY pivot point right there. I saw we were holding the pivot point. I saw that we were holding that 80 level. What did I want to do? I got long. Look at it pushing now. 901s. And there's that breakout. I mean, this literally all you had to do. I mean, I kind of entered a little early there, but if you really wanted to just like, you know, take this trade, that was your trade right there, that breakout. You had the overall downtrend. You jump in there at the 84, 85 level, and there you go, up there to 900. That's a 16 handle move. That's some serious money, my friends, and it's that simple. Like, this is not a crazy idea, right? Like, this is not a crazy strategy. Once again, market bouncing off that 80 level, off that pivot. Look at that on the pivot once again. Those pivots, I'm telling you, if you guys are not using these pivots, you're literally, you're hurting yourself. Look at that, 386, once again, bounced right off that pivot. Day trading a funded account. If you want to learn more about getting into a funded account, you can pay a monthly fee to get into the Combine for Topstep. Once you get to the Combine, you get a 90% profit share. So you keep 90%, they keep 10%, and those profits go right into your bank account. Check them out, link down below. Get a 20% discount using my link down below. I mean, this is literally on the spot. This pivot, this candle right here, the pivot was 378.97. The low on that candle is 378.97. If you're not using pivots, you are blowing it. I use the SPY pivots. I think the SPY pivots are the easiest to kind of look at and trade, and I'm always just kind of keeping an eye. Especially we got a dump from the 381 down to 379. Well, not to say that the market can't go lower, but let's think that, like, hey, the market's a little overextended to the downside. So what am I looking for? I'm looking to buy the dip off of that pivot, and that's exactly what I did. I bought the pivot there, and we got a little push back up, nice little push back up. I mean, we made another $1,000 just on that one little trade, and it was that simple. Just look for that pivot. We broke through this pivot here, obviously. This is the 5-minute chart. We were kind of bouncing off the pivot for a second, but we bounced right off of that pivot. So don't overcomplicate these things. Make it simple, make it easy. Put the pivots on there. It's that easy. I got videos on the channel talking about how you can set up your pivots and all that fun stuff. It's totally a free indicator as well. It's not even, you don't have to pay for it. It's totally free. See if we get this pushed over the 90s here. Entered at the 84s. Can we push through 90s right here? Up there to 94s, looking for 94 push. Almost 94s. I think we can go higher than 94 actually. I'm gonna move 96s. Almost 95s, 96s there. Can we go 96s next? And squeezing up 96s, getting filled there, beautiful. That's the trade we wanted right there. Whoo, up to 98s, probably could have held on that a little bit longer.